Hi guys, a very special recipe for today, milk congee or rice porridge. Vietnamese we call it cháo cá. Cantonese is Youcook. If you're interested in learning how to make this recipe, only prepared by Youcook, stay with me. We're gonna cook it together. There are two versions for this recipe and I am going to go through it as we go. So hang on and stay with me. Let's get to it right now. I'm preparing for a family of 5, so using 3 cups of rice, give it a good rinse, add 16 cups of water and cook for a good 15 minutes until you have this consistency of the congee or rice porridge. Then add in 4 cups of milk. That's right, 4 cups of milk. Continue cook for the next 10 minutes and transfer the whole pot into a blender and puree all the rice porridge. Traditional Chinese congee or Vietnamese congee that serve for breakfast does not have milk and it doesn't need to be pureed. One of the reasons why I puree my rice porridge in this recipe is because my son just had a dental work. 4 wisdom teeth just got removed and it served its purpose. Plus, look at this puree version. It's silky smooth and it's very appetizing when serving. Congee or rice porridge in general promotes healing effect and strong digestion during cold and flu season. This particular version of milk puree congee is completed and it can be served as it is. If you enjoy my recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm going to transfer my puree congee into another pot, bring it to boil, and turn off the heat. I'm going to prepare my cod fillet, adding more protein into my recipe. I'm using cod fillet just because it goes really well with this recipe rather than using salmon. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good rinse and cut it into thin slices. You can cut it at 45-degree angle just like that. Then let's marinate the fish. 2 tablespoons of white wine going in. Then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Give it a good mix. 2 teaspoons of black ground pepper. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Give it a final mix and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. Now chop green onion and cilantro into small chunks to garnish. Also cut about a thumb size of ginger into thin slices, then into long strips. Back to my rice porridge, bring it to boil. As soon as it boils, add in the marinated cod fillet and give it a good stir and turn off the heat. You don't want to overcook the fish. If you don't like fish, you can just serve milk congee or milk rice porridge itself. It is very tasty and soothing. I hope you can give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. This is probably the only recipe you will find on YouTube, as it is my own version of fish milk rice porridge or fish milk congee. That's it for this recipe, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video so far. To serve, you need to add chopped cilantro and green onion, smashed roasted peanut, my sweet chili sauce, strips of ginger, and a touch of hoisin sauce. And there you have a beautiful and delicious bowl of fish milk congee or fish milk rice porridge. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Please enjoy and subscribe to my channel.